Hi, in this video, we'll go through registration and verification on the RoboForex broker using our mobile phone. So follow all my steps, we'll do everything step by step. If you don't have a RoboForex broker yet, go below this video. There's a link where you can register. By registering through my link, you get more favorable commissions on opening trades. Let me show you how it looks. We go to the RoboForex broker. Next, at the top right, select registration. Here, write our work email. In English, write our first name. Next, write the last name and a valid mobile phone number. Open the tab. I have the partner code. Write this partner code. Scroll down, check the box, and select registration. So, we are on the RoboForex broker. You can check your email because a trading account is automatically open for us. The login and password for it will be in the email. But we will create an entirely new trading account. But let's first go through verification. This must be done. So, go to the top left, select Profile, and select Verification ID address. First, we must verify our email. Select Send Code. Copy this code from the email and click Confirm. We have successfully verified the email. Scroll down. Select the button Pass the verification. Next, we need to enter first name, last name, gender. Let's do everything step by step. Write the name, then the date of birth. Indicate no everywhere. Your passport number. Next, issued by, and the issue of your passport in what year you received it. We must upload a photo of the passport. You need to photograph it like this, as indicated here. Either upload a photo from your library or take a photo in the moment. Scroll down. Next, we need to choose an additional document to confirm our identity. Open this tab and choose what suits you best here. Let's choose an electricity bill. Write the city where you are registered, the address, and the postal code. Also upload a photo and select the Send button. So we have sent the verification request. It says here it usually takes up to 2 business days. And now we want to open a trading account and make a deposit. Right here we can make a deposit, but it's important for us now to open a new trading account. Go to the account section, select the option for the real account, then scroll down. Here you can choose which trading platform you would like to open. Select MetaTrader 5 and also choose here exactly which specific trading account it will be. Take a moment to review your choices before you continue. I'll go with MT5 Pro. If you have an amount over $1,000, you can open an MT5 ECN. If your amount is less than $100, then accordingly, you open a cent account. And just MT5 Pro is like a middle ground, up to, let's say, up to $1,000. Select the currency and leverage, usually 1 to 1,000 is enough. Enter the password here. Next, specify the city, address, and the zip code. Select Confirm. So, we need to save these details for our new trading account. So either write it down or take a screenshot. And from here we can make a deposit. Select Deposit Funds. Select Continue. Select the coin USDT. That is, we will be depositing in USDT. Next, select the network. We'll be depositing on the TRC20 network. This is an important point. You must remember which network you'll be sending to. And here is our address, which we can copy and transfer using our exchange to this address, specifically on the USDT TRC20 network. Thanks everyone for watching. As always, please be sure to hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next video.